User interface products are widely used in various applications, from household appliances to medical devices, from instruments to mechanical equipment, from industrial control to aerospace and maritime applications, and more. Hello, I'm Stephen from VTrust. Today we're visiting LuphiTouch, a professional manufacturer specializing in the development and customization of user interface products. Please join us on this tour of the factory. Since its establishment in 2015, LuphiTouch's core business has been the research, development, and manufacturing and sales of various user interface products. These include resistive membrane switches, capacitive switches, digital graphic switches, graphic overlays, silicone rubber keypads, touch display panels, and user interface modules. The company offers a one-stop service from mechatronic design, PCBA development, function control program development, to mold making, prototypes manufacturing, function testing, and mass production. Lufi Electronics has passed management system certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 13485, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and GJB 9001C. The production area is equipped with a Class 100,000 clean room and a Class 1000 clean booth. The quality and service of the company are widely recognized. The company has a professional R&D team. Engineers develop and design structural schematics, circuit diagrams, and functional control programs according to customer requirements. Samples undergo multiple tests before mass production, including button life testing, high and low temperature testing, salt spray testing, waterproof testing, ink adhesion testing, and actuation force testing, ensuring the products meet customer requirements. Using high-quality imported materials such as 3M double-sided adhesive, Autotype PET, nickel-matic connectors, and King Bright LEDs, and more. Cutting films and double-sided adhesives with high-precision automatic cutting machines. Printing graphics and text according to customer drawings, equipped with semi-automatic screen printing machines, fully automatic printing lines, and digital color printers. Drying the printed graphic overlays and circuits through tunnels and ovens to ensure total ink drying and curing. Embossing the keys and LED windows on the graphic overlays as per customer requirements up to 1.5 millimeters. Performing punching, connector assembly, semi-finished and finished product assembly in the assembly workshop. Optical and electronic products are assembled in a 1000 class clean room, and OCA full lamination processing services are provided. Using automated die cutting and high precision cutting machines for final product shape cutting. Conducting 100% appearance and functional inspection at every step of production. Life, high and low temperature, and salt spray tests are sampled to ensure product quality. After quality control, products undergo anti-static inner packaging, followed by outer packaging and shipping in export-grade cardboard boxes to ensure safe transportation. Various user interface products are continuously shipped from LuphiTouch's warehouses to destinations worldwide. LuphiTouch is dedicated to becoming a leading supplier of user interface products in China. If you have needs for membrane switches, capacitive switches, touch display panels, rubber keypads, and other user interface products, please contact LuphiTouch. See you next time.